Okay, to get started on these no-bake cookies, no-bake chocolate peanut butter cookies without sugar, I've got a cup of peanut butter here, and I like to use the Skippy Natural. It's only got 4 grams of carbs and 3 sugars. So to this, I've got it in a microwave safe bowl. I want to add 2 tablespoons of butter. And I want to heat this up in the microwave for 40 seconds. Okay, now after the 40 seconds, you want to stir these two together. Okay, now to this, I've got a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix that up. Okay, now to this, I was gifted some pure maple syrup. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the pure maple syrup. That's what you're going to use for your sweetness, not sugar. Okay, you want to stir this up really good. Okay, now you want to re-microwave this for 30 more seconds. After that gets microwaved for 30 seconds, you stir it up really good. And then you add a half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay, then you get your oatmeal, and I'm using quick oats. You want 2/3 of a cup of the quick oats. 1/3 and 2/3. That will add fiber. You can add some dark chocolate pieces at this point if you would like to. Okay, and I just got a sheet pan lined with parchment paper, and I just want to dollop pieces of the cookie on the parchment. It should make 12. Okay, there's 12 of them. You just want to pop them in the refrigerator until they set up. And then I'll show you what they look like. Okay, now after they've set in the refrigerator, this has been about 15 minutes. You just pop them off. They look just like a no-bake cookie. They're not as sweet as a no-bake cookie, but they're really good. They satisfy your sweet tooth. It gives you lots of protein from the peanut butter and fiber from the oatmeal. But you do want to store these in the refrigerator so they won't get sticky. I made 12 of them. See how the inside looks? They're so good and creamy. thank you so much for joining me today. I hope everyone has a wonderful day.